Hi guys! Welcome to another video here at Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm gonna give an old chair new life. So it's this old chair that sits here in the corner of my office as an extra seat for when I have someone here with me. And this poor thing is just so 90s. It's almost vintage, and I've decided to change the material on the seat and just bring it back to life, because there's nothing wrong with this chair. It's a very cute chair. Just it just looks very old or outdated. And yeah, I want to give it a new look, a facelift, and like I said, just bring it back to life. Of course, we're gonna need some tools. So, last Christmas, I asked Santa for a toolkit. And since I asked so nicely, I got it. Every woman needs her own toolkit, because guys are not always around to do the little things that need to be done. For my guy, I know that this chair is garbage. For me, there's nothing wrong with this chair. I'm just gonna give it a facelift and it'll be new again. It'll look good. It'll match the office. So here's an idea of probably things that you can change around the house. But yes, you do need a toolkit. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna need one of these guys, which is a stapler, and some of its staples. We're gonna need scissors, measuring tape. I'm gonna need this to unscrew the seat. I think from the toolkit this is all I'm gonna be needing. So first of all, let's flip it over and unscrew. The screws are holding the seat together. Gotta remove that. So there's one on each corner holding each leg. This tool has multiple fittings for the different screws that are out there. So that's the square one. That's the one we need to use for this type of screw. Out. This is a very good quality chair. It's all solid wood right here. So that's why I want to keep it. And that's our last one. All right. So here's our beautiful chair. And here's the seat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose a fabric just to put over this cushion right here. I'm not going to remove this old one because it's actually going to work as extra cushioning. So I'm just going to put it over it. Let's see how it turns out. So I have this piece of fabric, which is a leftover from another project, and I think it'll work fine. I think it goes well with my my office. It's not that big, but I'm gonna make it work. As long as I have enough to cover the top, I'll be okay. Because this part here, I'm gonna do like they did here. I'm gonna cover it with some thick paper. So it'll be something like this, something along these lines. So I'm gonna cut it about there. I think it'll look cute. It's time to start stapling. So I thought the staples would go in here. That's what made sense to me, but it turns out that the staples go in here, inside here. All right, so I'm ready to start stapling, and since the material is kind of narrow on these sides. That's where I'm gonna start. I'm going to secure it, and then I'll deal with these ones because these ones are longer. I'm going to secure it here. Wow, this really works. Wow, that's good. I'm gonna stretch it as much as I can. Around the corners, I need to do basically what they did here, like gather as much material as I can to keep it nice and straight. Yes, it's looking good. I'm enjoying this. Look at that. Perfect. One more here. And then here, same thing. You just do little folds. Last corner. All right. Now I can just cut the excess material here. And I need a few more staples along here, but because I'm gonna cover this now with paper to give it a nice finish, I'm just gonna wait and you know, do all the rest of the stapling after along with the paper. It's looking good. So for the finishing at the bottom now, I'm just gonna use some thick recycled paper. I'm gonna try to cut it to size as much as I can. Gonna try to shape it nice about here. So since the material doesn't go too much in, the paper needs to come out more. Okay. I need to remove a little bit. I'm just gonna eye it. And it is time to start stapling. Gonna try and staple in between the other ones. Here. I've never done this before, but I'm quite happy with the outcome. I think this one is on top of another one, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. Let's remove it without damaging the paper that much. These we need to be careful with. We can't leave them laying around because they can stab you. Try again. Maybe over here. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Wow. This looks good, right? So I cleaned it up nice, and here we go. What do you think, guys? So cute. Welcome to the present. Bye-bye 90s. Now we're gonna finish it. We're gonna put back the screws, and we're done. So I need my friend here. good. Great stuff. And the last one. Ready. What do you think? I think it's perfect. And here she is. I gave my old chair a new life for years to come. And that ties in really nicely with the rest of the office. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in order to keep up with Linda. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so I can bug you again with more videos, because you never know what I'm going to be doing next. Ciao!